Hey there! Struggling with a frustrating Monopoly Go error on your iPhone? You're not alone, and I've got you covered. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Monopoly Go error on iPhone with a series of straightforward steps to get you back in the game. Let's dive in and make sure your virtual Monopoly experience goes smooth. Step 1. Check your internet connection. One common reason for experiencing errors with Monopoly Go is an unstable internet connection. Start by ensuring that your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network or cellular data. You can do this by toggling your Wi-Fi off and on, or by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes simply refreshing your connection can make a big difference. Step 2. Update the Monopoly Go app. Another solution could involve updating the Monopoly Go app itself. App developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap your profile icon at the top right, and scroll to find Monopoly Go. If an update is available, tap Update and allow it to install. Once the update is complete, launch the app again to see if the error persists. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes all your device needs is a quick reboot. Restarting your iPhone can clear up minor glitches that might be affecting your apps. To restart your iPhone, press and hold either the volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, wait for your device to power down, then turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Open Monopoly Go to check if the error has been resolved. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Clearing the app cache can often solve issues related to app errors. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't provide a direct way to clear app caches like Android, but you can reinstall the app to achieve a similar effect. To do this, delete Monopoly Go by pressing and holding the app icon until the Remove App option appears. Tap Remove App and then Delete App. Afterward, reinstall Monopoly Go from the App Store and try running it again. Step 5. Check for iOS update. An outdated operating system might contribute to app compatibility issues. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update to check if a new version of iOS is available for your device. If there's an update available, make sure to install it and then try running Monopoly Go again. Dealing with a Monopoly Go error on your iPhone can be frustrating, but these steps should help get you back to enjoying the game hassle-free. From checking your internet connection to updating the app at iOS, these troubleshooting tips cover all bases. By following this guide on how to fix Monopoly Go error on iPhone, you can ensure a seamless gaming experience. If the issue persists, you may want to contact the app support team for their assistance. Happy gaming!